Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Barakos doing a read aloud for you today for a book called Pig the Pug. Pig the. This is actually one of my favorite books, and some of you may have read it before with your teachers, but hopefully you haven't, and this one's a surprise for you. Pig the Pug. And it says this book belongs to Pig. No, it doesn't. This book belongs to me. Just kidding. Pig the Pug. Pig the Pug, and if you notice, there's some steak down here. You might like to eat some steak. Pig was a pug, and I'm sorry to say he was greedy and selfish in almost every single way. This is Pig. He does look greedy. Look at all that food in front of him. He lived in a house with a wiener dog. This is the wiener dog, with a wiener dog named Trevor. But when he was nice to him, I'll tell you never. You've got some great toys there, poor Trevor would say. But Pig would just grumble. They're mine. Go away. He does have some pretty cool toys. But it might be more fun, Trevor said to Pig, if we played together. Trevor looks very friendly, I would say. Well, Pig flipped his wig. He lost his mind. No, they are mine. Didn't you hear? Only mine. You keep your paws off of them. They are mine, mine, mine. I know what your game is here. You want me to share, but I'll never do that. I won't, I swear. Pig looks like he's going crazy over here. And with that, he proceeded to gather his stuff. And Pig, with a big pig smile, with a huff and a puff, and once he had gathered them up in a pile, he held from the top with a satisfied smile. There, shouted Pig, now you won't get my loot. It's mine, 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 so why don't you scoot? Uh-oh. Look at Pig, he's on top of a pile of his toys right next to a window. What do you think is going to happen? Okay. But just in that moment, poor Trevor did see the pile that was wobbling. Oh, dear me. Watch out up there, good Trevor did cry. But the shame of it was, I wonder what it was. That pugs cannot fly. Uh-oh, Pig fell out of the window and onto the ground. These days, it's different. I'm happy to say. It's so different in most every single way. Trevor looks pretty happy. He's playing with all of Pig's toys. What happened to Pig, do you think? Yes, Pig shares his toys now, and Trevor's his friend. And they both play together. Look at Pig inside of here. While Pig is on the mend. So I want you to think about who the characters in this book were. Our main character was obviously Pig, who does not seem very friendly in this picture. And we have Trevor. Think about where the story took place, the setting. It took place in the bedroom. There was a scene on the street. And then you have the problem is that Pig the pug was not being very kind. He was being greedy. He liked to share, he did not like to share his toys. And then, he fell out the window and was put in a position where he kind of had to share his toys while he was healing. I hope that you enjoyed the story. Bye.